Fall means campfires and warm, snuggly blankets and hot chocolate and fall harvest fest.
To me, the fall season means that it's starting to get colder and I get to go to like bonfires with my friends and wear long sleeves and scarves.
I like that the leaves change color and that the sunsets seem prettier. I just like the nature. The nature of fall is beautiful.
My favorite fall aspect is definitely the nature. Like I love when we drive home for like fall break and looking at like all the trees all along the road, and it's so pretty, and like walking through woods and stuff and just seeing like all the different colors. And I also like being able to drink hot chocolate a lot.
My least favorite fall aspect is definitely that it's colder, and that means there's more homework.
My least favorite fall aspect is probably that it's starting to get colder, and I know that after fall's over it's going to be winter and that all the trees are going to be bare and it's not going to be pretty anymore, and that kind of makes me sad.
Fall's better than winter, but summer and spring are better than fall.
A fall time tradition that me and my friends kind of have is we usually go apple picking. There's a place kind of near my house that's like almost an hour away, but we go and we pick apples and we bring them back. We all have just like a ton and we eat them and we're picking them, and it's really fun.
We collect cans for Halloween instead of candy, and then we volunteer to like kind of donate them to a pantry, and we started doing that last year with Crosswalk, and it was really fun to like help people and then also to get to have the Halloween type experience and dress up.
I notice fall's here when the temperature starts going down. It's not like super hot every day, when the leaves start changing and falling, and it just kind of feels crisp outside.
Fall is inevitable. These girls talked a bit about how fall affects them. This is Emily Ellsworth signing off.